let's talk about specific stocks. SpiceJet's decision to trim its workforce by 10 to 15% has once again raised questions about the airline's financial health. Madeeha joins in with more details on this story.
Well, Ekta, the last few years haven't been easy for SpiceJet, especially after COVID. Not only did the market share fell from around 15% in 2019 to 5.5% in 2023, we've also seen the airline embroiled in many legal battles over non-payment of dues. There are several factors that point to a liquidity crunch. To start with, the airline hasn't paid January salaries to several employees. There's an alarming delay in clearing statutory dues. The airline hasn't deposited TDS for the first 10 months of FY24, even after deducting money from employee salary every month. In fact, TDS for FY23 was deposited only 2 weeks ago, due to which many senior employees had to face the Income Tax Department's action due to late filing of returns. Further, the airline has not deposited the Employee Provident Fund amount since December 2021, which is a delay of more than 2 years. The airline, in its response to CNBC-TV18, said it has paid salaries for January to over 75% of its staff and is processing salaries for the remaining employees. It also adds that TDS and PF deposits are the top priorities for the airline. Coming to the much talked about 2,240 crores of fund infusion. We learned SpiceJet has received only half of the first tranche of 744 crores and investors are skeptical about going ahead with the remaining amount. But the airline insists it has received the full 744 crores and has also received additional subscription. However, the allotment of shares, it says, is pending regulatory approval. It says the process for raising another 1,000 crores has also been initiated. Let's also look at the airline's capacity now. From over 100 planes in 2019, the fleet has reduced to 42 planes, including freight aircraft. 8 of these planes are on wet lease, which will expire in March, leaving the airline with less than 35 planes. Now, CNBC-TV18 learns SpiceJet is delaying payment to lessors, and hence, leasing companies are neither keen on extending their leases, nor do they want to trade their money for a stake in the airline. But SpiceJet is confident about its capacity and maintains that majority of its lessors continue to support the airline, and it said that the airline has extended many aircraft leases and also signed fresh lease agreements for more aircraft that will join its fleet in the summer schedule. This is according to airline's response to CNBC-TV18. So while things on ground showcase a worrying trend, the airline continues to sound extremely optimistic.
All right, Madeeha, thanks a lot for that. So we'll keep an eye out on developments out there, though the street has taken that on the obverse side, the stock down 4% as we speak. But let's